wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now you see the box, man. We got another Hat Club exclusive. Now we got one box, but we got two hats in here, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're not gonna waste no time. Let me go ahead and slice it right on down the middle. Let me see if we can peel it back. Peel it back on this side. Let me go. Boom. There we go. All right. All right. Let's see. Oh, I've been waiting on these, man. First hat. Let's go. Oh yeah, you see it, man. We got the all black Arizona Diamondbacks, man. That logo looks real nice, and you know why? I don't know if you can tell on the on that threading, but this is some special thread, man. This is a special thread alert right here, man. It's got the purple, it's got the teal, and it has that white. Now that white might look a little bit different, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is the glow in the dark special right here. You feel me? They have a glow in the dark pack that just dropped a couple days ago. You feel me? And I wanted to, for one, I just wanted to see how it looked, you know, in the light and also in the dark. And I will be showing these with the lights off so you can get an idea on how it looks, you know, how bright it is, stuff like that. But let me get into the full review of the hat, man. We got a size 7 1/8 Arizona Diamondbacks, man. All black, black button top. We got the World Series patch of 2001, man. That was a good year. 01 was a good year, man. Nice patchwork, nice patchwork. Flip to the inside, we got the gray bottom. All black guts right there. You see it, the black sweatband. As I always like to say, one of my favorites. We got the hat size. We got the new era. We got the Cooperstown collection. Let's go, man. I'm gonna try this joker on, man. But I'm anxious just like y'all are. I want to see if this joint really does glow, man. So stay tuned for the glow. Let me take this joint off. You feel me? Put this on. Okay. Fit is good. You feel me? I like just a slight bend. I don't like a big bend on mine. You feel me? But yeah, fit is good, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give you one of these. Turn to the side. Let you get some of that side patch. Bring it right back, man. Hat number 2. Hat number 2, man. Let's go. Oakland A's, man. You got the forest green right here, man. Forest green. We got the hat size 7 1/8. Now let me take a look. Ooh. Now this right here, man. Now this is one of those creepers. I'm gonna tell you why. Cause this is supposed to be a glow in the dark too. But if you didn't know any better, you would think that this is just a regular A's. You feel me? Yeah. So you can't even, like on this one, you can tell that the thread is a little bit different. But on this looks like just regular white thread, white stitching on it. But let's go ahead. We got the 1990 World Series side patch right there. We got the forest green button top. We got the forest green new era flag. We got the green. It's more like a Kelly green, I'd say. Green with the yellow Batterman logo. All black inside. You feel me? Gray bottom. 7 1/8 new era. Then we got the Cooperstown collection. See, I'm intrigued, man, because this right here looks so normal. So if the glow is right, then we on. You feel me? So let me go ahead and take this one off real quick. Oh, pause this. Let me don't even hold on, man. Because last time I was on Hat Club's bumper, because I was missing my pins, man. We got 2 pins, man. So we back. We got the 2 pin special, man. You feel me? Hat Club, we back good, man. We back right. Let me throw this joint on, man. Okay. It's a good fit. Let me see. Yeah, the major key for these is the glow. I gotta see the glow. And I'm gonna see if I can find a black light even. So just in case you go to, you know, one of them parties, they got the black light. I want to see how it's gonna look, man. Y'all probably want to see how it's gonna look under a black light and in just a regular dark, man. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all the glows. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. My views and my subscribes, they not matching, man. My subscribers and my views, they need to match, B. So if you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. Check out some of my old videos. I got more stuff coming. Now let's get on to this glow. All right, I'm back. Now, I was able to secure some black lights, and this is the Diamondbacks with just the black light on right now. I'm pretty sure you can see the glow. It has a really good glow. I'm gonna turn to the side, give you a little bit of that side patch. Let me go ahead and take it off so you can get the up close with the glow. We got that D. That D is looking good. Pause. There you go. It's got a nice glow to it. See if I'm getting all around on that. There you go. Side patch. There we go. 2001 patch. I mean, the joint looks good, man. So remember, this is with the black lights on. We also have the Oakland A's. Let me get into the Oakland A's. This is with the black lights. So we have the A that has a nice glow, and it's really kind of just taking on that it's taking on the black light, that kind of purplish bluish tone. There you go, right there. Let me go ahead and turn it to the side right here. We got a side patch 1990, and that's having a good glow. Now on this A's, you can kind of see the difference. You have the greenish glow from the side patch, but you have like that bluish glow from the logo. So I will be turning the black lights off, and we'll try to see what we can get with just pure darkness. All right, so this is the hats with the lights completely off. So this is total darkness. You got a good glow on the Diamondbacks, the front and the side patch. Now on the A's, just the side patch glows. The front doesn't glow on the A's, but they're very nice hats, man. I appreciate you checking out this video, man. Please subscribe. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.